Did you know social media can both save and sabotage our planet's future? Today, we will explore how social media platforms shapes environmental awareness and conservation efforts, both positively and negatively.
Let's start with positive impact.
Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube connect activists, organizations, and everyday users, creating a vibrant online communities that shares knowledge and mobile support for conservation efforts. This rapid spread of information empowers individuals to take part in local and global initiatives.
One of the example of positive impact is the trash tag challenge on social media. Together, this effort demonstrates how social media can turn awareness into actions, building a more sustainable future through collective engagement. So now let's start with negative impact. But while social media can be a force for good, it also has its downside. We're here to interview an activist about the negative impact of social media on the environment.
For you, sir, what is the negative impact of social media on the environment?
So the negative impact of the social media in the environment is ito po bagang pag nagpo-promote kita ng mga products, no? Because of the social media, the TikToks, the Facebook, nauso po itong pag-order through online, and na-contribute po siya sa plastics, because the plastic na ginagamit itong wrap duman sa pig-order is nagdadakod. So because of social media, and we all know that social media is the biggest platform kung taano dakol ang nagbabakal or consumers. Kung magayon ang market ninda through social media, dakol din pong mabakal, and dakol pong plastic ang mapoproduce because of the social medias. So
Thank you, sir.
Here's the question to come. How do you think social media has contributed to the spread of misinformation about environmental issues?
Now, what you're asking is the effect of social media. Number one, when you look at the social media, you know that one of the prevalent things now is fake news. So there are a lot of people who spreads fake news, and fake news are made by people or institutions, or maybe not institutions, but a group of people who has an interest over an issue where they would not want the public to know about the truth. So normally, there are fake news because we would like to hide the truth. So what happens is that when media has fake news and other outlets of information have fake news, then it affects our being misinformed about issues. So like for example, how many hectares of Sierra Madre has been now affected, has been now compromised because of the construction of the Kaliwa Dam. Do you know about the Kaliwa Dam? So it's affecting now the Sierra Madre. That's why there were concerned groups who are telling that Kaliwa Dam is going to have irreversible effects over Sierra Madre. And Sierra Madre has been home to a lot of endemic plants and animals. Specifically, you find them only in the Philippines. So, one, of course, the social media propagates is the fake news. Number two is that, of course, the social media tends to hide information. So if you if you look at the local newspapers and TV networks, you barely see you barely see news which covers environmental degradation. So there are two sides of social media. One is it can make you be informed and it tells you the truth. On the other hand, there are also fake news who would like the truth not to come out. So these are the negative effects. You're looking for the negative effects of social media. So meron ding maraming minus, pero meron ding advantage ng social media. Na? Did I answer the question?
Yes, yes po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you, Ma'am Shi.
Sige.
Fostering sustainable behaviors and protecting natural resources to enhance this awareness. Policy, prioritize environmental educations in school, promote public campaigns on sustainability, and support community-based conservation initiative. Governments must also enforce regulations that reduce pollutions and incentivize green technologies to ensure lasting environmental protection. Together, we can use our voice online to create real change offline.